Hi, I'm StApLeR, like, oh yeah. Yeah, I'm like, I staple things, like, I like to staple things, like paper, like, come here, pencil, like, oh my god.
Yes?
Can you let me, like, staple you or something?
No, absolutely not.
Why? Oh my god, I thought you were my trusted friend. Oh my gosh.
I'm very sorry, StApLeR, but no, I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
Oh my god, pencil died. Oh my gosh, my trusted friend is gone. My trusted friend is gone. Oh, this is great. Now I can now staple her. Like, oh my gosh, I'm stapling and eating. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm like amazing. Just like, okay, let me tell you about myself. Like, okay, I like stapling things and like putting things together because like that's my job and all. And yeah, I like paper. I have like a crush on her. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah, like